Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day number 27 of the 30-day meditation journey. Thank you for being here. My name is Tamara Hansen, and if you are just joining us, please go back to day number 1 for an introduction. Of course, you can continue this journey as long as you like. So we are coming up to the 30-day mark, and I just want to thank you for your dedication. Even if you missed a couple of days, that's no big deal. You just get back on track and get back to meditating. I know it can be difficult sometimes because we have busy lives, and sometimes carving out that time in our day can be very hard, and especially if we have a lot going on. So also, I just want to mention again that I do have a self-love and meditation online workshops. If you want to take a look, they are in the link in the description box below, and you would have unlimited access to those as well. So let's get started. Get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can lie down, you can sit up, whatever it is that's going to help you on your journey. Make sure that you are wearing comfortable clothing. Make sure that the temperature in the room is not too cold or too hot, and that you are just comfortable. And when you are ready, just close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out. Take another deep breath in through your nose and exhale out. Just allow your breathing to flow easily in through the nose, out through the nose. And just continue to breathe, allowing yourself to relax from the top of your head, moving down across your face, relaxing your muscles, moving down your throat and your neck, continuing to relax, breathing, inhale, exhale, allowing your body to relax, your shoulders to relax. And just continue to breathe, moving your attention, your focus, your breath all the way down your arms, into your wrists, hands, and fingers. Continue moving that breath down your back, and then down your torso, into your hips and pelvic area, and down your legs. Continuing to breathe, allowing that breath to flow nice and easy. Move down into your legs, your knees, your lower legs, down into your ankles and feet and toes. Just relaxing the entire body, muscles, tendons, organs, everything. Just relaxing, melting into this moment. And now, imagine a beautiful white light at the base of your spine. And that white light separates into two beautiful lights, illuminating, full of love and nurturing and beautiful energy, bringing harmony to your life. And allow those two lights of energy begin to move up your spine together, crisscrossing and wrapping around your spine. And you feel this beautiful energy moving up all the way up your spine. Allowing that beautiful white light healing you, providing you with the energy, with the life force, unblocking anything, any chakras, any disharmony, anything that might be holding you back or hanging on. Just allow that light to move up your spine together. Allow it to wrap around, moving in tandem with each other. And as it continues up the spine, it moves into the very top of the spine at the base of the skull. And then moves into the pineal gland, right at the center of the brain. Electrifying and enlightening and bringing conscious awareness to your life. Allow that light to shine in the pineal gland, awakening your awareness, your consciousness, elevating you to higher consciousness, opening up your intuition, your inner knowing, and then allow that light to move up and out the top of your head. And allowing that light to pour all around you. Continue with this image, with this light, continuing to move up your spine and then out the top of your head in a constant flow of energy, awakening the higher consciousness within you, the inner guru, your inner knowing. Continue to breathe With every breath, you are moving that energy, moving that light, becoming more aware, illuminating your pineal gland, Now you can stay here as long as you like, holding that image, holding that space, allowing that energy to flow and breathing, flowing with the breath. And if you are ready to come out of this meditation, and slowly bring your awareness back into the space, back into your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And then rubbing your hands together and placing them over your eyes. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.